Good afternoon, Danbury. I am student meteorologist Scott here with your forecast. Taking a look, we have our viewer snapshot here. This is from Jennifer D. this morning in Brantford, Connecticut. Beautiful, beautiful rainbow here on her morning commute in. This is actually due to some of the sun that was poking through in our eastern sky. Now taking a look at the current conditions here in Danbury, we have at the noon hour, temperature of 49 degrees, very cool out there. Dew point of 46, humidity is up to 91%, and those southwest winds at 10 miles an hour have actually come down from the 30 mile per hour winds that we were seeing overnight here in Danbury. For your weather headlines, we have those showers and the wind finally coming to an end here in the area. We'll have some slow clearing which will actually come through over the next 12 to 18 hours. And down here we have a warm next week. We'll look at that in our 5-day forecast. If you take a look at the U.S. infrared satellite here, you can see that low pressure sitting off the southern New England coast, just sitting and spinning. It's been doing that over the past few days here, if anyone remembers that. Take a look at the moisture trail actually going all the way down here into the Gulf of Mexico. So we're getting a very moisture-tapped environment where actually our weather is actually coming from. Take a closer look here. You can see that low just sitting and spinning. It's been doing that, like I said, over the past few days. But you can see some peaks of sun, or some clouds, breaks in the clouds, that are coming in over here. You can see an eastern tip of Long Island. But until this back edge, which we have here in eastern Pennsylvania, finally kicks out of here, we're going to run the risk for showers for the next day or so. You can see that moisture coming in from the northeast on a southwest trajectory. Finally coming to an end here, though, in Danbury. We have some shower activity on and off. We'll have that for the rest of the evening. And we'll get into this breaks over the course of the overnight. You can see some rainfall totals over here in the Berkshires, southern or central Mass, and over here in Boston, upwards of 3 to 4 inches of rain. So they received quite a dosing. Down here in Danbury, we received around 3/4 to an inch of rain as well. Now on the surface map, you can see this is our jet stream heading down to the mid-Atlantic, and this is actually the reason that this low got cut off from the actual circulation of all the systems across the state, or across the country, This high is going to come through and push everything out, finally kicking that low out into the northern Atlantic Ocean. For the hour-by-hour forecast down here, or at 6 p.m., we'll still have remaining few showers with some cloudy skies, a temperature of 53 degrees and relatively breezy. For midnight, we'll have the cloudiness with a temperature of 44 degrees, very cool for this time of year. And for your wake-up, we'll have some sun finally coming through, but a mostly cloudy sky with temperature of 47 degrees. For your 5-day, we have that partial clearing on Friday. Saturday looks to be a better day, finally seeing some more in the way of sun with a temperature of 63 degrees. Sunday, we bring those clouds back with a temperature of 56 degrees, and don't be surprised if over Saturday night and Sunday morning we also get a spot shower in here. If you look farther on the 5-day, Monday, finally that sun comes out with a beautiful temperature of 61 degrees and approaching 70 on Tuesday. So really a big turnaround in things over the way it's been over the past few days. Low temperatures, upper 30s to low 40s. Visit our website at wcsu.edu/weather and look for Frank on Monday at 2 p.m. Thank you. Have a great evening.